name is Denise, and I'm a student at CSUMB and a service learner for the Monterey County Free Libraries. And welcome to Make It Monday. Okay, today we are going to make coffee filter butterflies. It's fun, it's creative, and come on, let's start. What you'll need is coffee filters, markers, a water bottle. I just chose to use this one. And you will also need pipe cleaners. Okay, so let's start. Use a paper plate behind your coffee filter because once you spray it, it'll be wet and the colors tend to blend. So you need something behind. Do not put it on your table. Okay, so here we go. Let's see. Let's start with the blue. And my filter originally was turned this way. I flipped it on the wrong side so it wouldn't curl up. So I'm just going to go around the edges and make an outline. Now use any color you like. I just happen to be using blue right now. I think I am done. Okay, so now this is the part where we use our bottle. We're going to take the bottle and spray it. And we're going to watch it bleed. It's going to bleed a little bit. Now, when this, you have to let it dry. So you can hang it up or however you want to do it, but you have to let it dry. Now, keep in mind, while you're letting this dry, you're going to draw the same identical picture so you can make the set of wings as one. So you'll do one more and then let it dry. Spray it and let it dry. We have both that have dried, and we're going to take and fold. So then we will take, here's one for you, and go to the middle with our pipe cleaner. We will wrap around. Now, what I would do is check and make sure that I have it in the middle. So I'll bring both inward. They look even. And start wrapping. And now we're gonna open it up. So we will go ahead and, which way should I turn that? This way? That's pretty good. And you want to get them to where the wings look like they're together. And we will start to wrap. And here we have our coffee filter butterflies. Thank you for spending time with me on a project that I really totally enjoyed. All right, have a good one, and thank you for joining me at the Monterey County Free Library.